chapter 4, number 7, you're going to find the parallel slope. So here we have the equation and a y equals 1/2 x plus 5. The slope here, which is in front, so we could say that the original slope is m is equal to 1/2. Next, we want to find the parallel slope because that's what the question's asking for. And we know that the parallel slope is equal to the original slope. So it's just m is equal to 1/2 as well. So that's the final answer. B, we want to find the original slope, but it's very hard because this is not in y equals mx plus b. So we have to do that. We're going to add x to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with 2y is equal to x plus 2. Now you want to divide by 2 to everything, leaving you with the y equals to 1/2 x plus 1. Now we can grab this, which is the original slope, and we can say that the original slope is m is equal to 1/2, and then we have the parallel slope, which is the same, which is m is also 1/2. For parallel slopes, they are equal to the same value as the original slope.